Hello, welcome back. Question is, can we do realistic eyes under 9 minutes? Well, the thing about eyes is the more you give time towards the small details, the better it will look. Either like this or like this. But question is, sometimes don't we require realistic results, really realistic results while drawing a big scale picture? Let's say you want the eyes to be as realistic as possible within minutes. So let's see how we can draw realistic eyes today within 9 minutes. Step 1 Outlines. Actually, when is it not outlines? Anyway, so step 1 is the blueprint, as I always say. So this is going to give you the basic structure of the eyes. And also step 1 comes with the only pressure point in this tutorial, and that is the shape. So what we always should remember while drawing eyes is these two curve lines which you use, the basic first two curve lines, they are not symmetric. By the way, almost forgot, did you like the new setup? Do let me know in the comments. Step 2 blend is easy. So this is just going to make sure that skin tone of the upper part of the eye, that's the eyelid, and the lower part of the eye, so these two are there. So it's basically giving a background to the eyeball. One quick tip here. Have you used earbuds for blending? If you're using Sketchbook and the non-digital platform, try earbuds if you don't have other things. It works magic. Well, Pokemon without Ash and eyes without lash just doesn't work. Ghatiya joke khatam. Let's get started with eyelashes. Well, the most important part is the direction, which I feel most of the times even I get wrong. Directions. On the right it's this, on the center this, and on the left this. That little insect on the right wanted to learn. Anyway, so we're going towards the final step, that's highlights. Finally, my favorite part, highlights. Well, a good highlights equal to a realistic sketch. This is true every time. This time my suggestion would be use your reference picture. This can be used as your reference in case of highlights. And if you think about eyes, the white part is quite watery. Remind me, by the way, what was it called, the white part? Anyway, so just to make sure that it looks watery, you need to make sure the highlight is in the right place.